us study what is present inside the cell. Yes, so cell is very tiny. The size of the cell is very small and cell is having specific shape and there are certain components present inside the cell. Okay, so inside the cell, the components is nothing but your cell organelles. So this cell organelles, they are very tiny structures. First of all, the cell is very small. Very size of the cell is very small. In microns it is micron level it is. Okay, micrometer level it is. So very small, microscopic it is. So inside this microscopic cell, there are tiny structures called as cell organelles. Okay. Now, what is the cell organelles doing? So cell organelles are responsible for providing needs to the cells. So all the needs, all the functions done by the cells is because of the presence of cell organelles present inside the cell. So cell organelle provide all the needs to the cells so that cells will be able to perform its function properly. Understanding? So cell organelles, they are responsible for providing the needs to the cells. So whatever needs, whatever is required for the cells to do its function, all that needs, all that requirements is provided by the cell organelles. So these cell organelles, they are tiny structures inside the cell. So these cell organelles, what are the functions done by the cell organelles inside the cells? How do they meet the need of the cells? So these cell organelles, they bring food supply. So they supply food. They get rid of waste. So whatever waste is being formed due to the metabolic reactions inside the cell, the waste what is being formed, that is being removed out. Get rid of waste. Then protection to the cell is provided by cell organelle. Repair of the cell. So cells are having some problems. Yes. So that problems all are being cured. So cells are repaired. Okay. So worn out cells are being made it properly. So cell repairing is also done. Then growth of the cells, reproduction of the cells. So cell division, one cell into 2, 2 will become 4, 4 will become 8, 8 will become 16. So likewise, cell reproduction, cell growth, cell repair, cell protection, supply of food and the nutrients, get rid of waste particles which is present inside the cell, it is excreted out. So for all these functions are done by the cell organelles. So likewise, whatever needs, whatever requirements are there for the cells, so all those requirements are being given by the cell organelles. Okay, if any of these cell organelles does not function properly, then the cell will die. The cell will be programmed to death. That is a cell death or programmed cell death. Understanding? So these cell organelles should perform its functions, its specific function, its role should be done properly, correctly, accurately. Only then the cell as such together it can do its function. Okay. If any of these cell organelles are not working properly, then definitely the cell will die. Okay, cell will be programmed to death. So that is your programmed cell death. Understanding? Got it?